Hey kids, what's up? Quick video here on how to adjust your APR settings on the bike. Okay, I recently reflashed my ECU. I sent the stock ECU to be reflashed by Atomic. Once I did the throttle and handle learning, I could not set the launch control by going to the APR settings, but I was able to do it by going to the lap timer setting, and I will show you how. So first you turn the bike on, obviously. So this is my regular street settings, you know, like a street lap dash. So then you go here and just hold it to the left. Right there, and then the lap timer will come up, right? So in order to get to the APR setting, you just press on the mode button again to the center, and then the thing will come up. See that? And then to get to whatever you want to get, you scroll through here. So you want to get the ABS, you just went over and over and over, right? Once you go, when I got the ECU, everything was set at 3, like when you get the bike when it's new. So the only thing that was didn't have any setting was the launch control was at a minus. So once I did that, I have mine ABS on 0, on 1. You can adjust it by either pressing here or here in the back. Over here, if I press the minus button, it will go like that. There's no ABS in the system, but I'm gonna leave it on, even though the front lines are not connected to the ABS pump. I'm just gonna have it at 1. I'm pressing 1 here, right there, and then I went to the launch control, and that one was a 0 minus also. Okay, once I set it up, obviously I cannot I cannot disable it anymore, because I just tried to hold the minus button for a while and it doesn't work. But I can, if I press the plus, we go more, and it's two settings. So if I press on the rear, which is the negative, it only goes to 1, but that will come with the minus. You just press here 1 and it will come up. To go to the wheelie control, I have it at 2. Then I can go to 1, and if I want to disable, I can disable it too by holding that. See, I hold the minus for a while and it comes at the minus. I want to add, press the plus, and I have it on 2 because this one is even more powerful than that one, right? And then just to get off the settings, just press to the center, and you go back to the lap timer screen. Now if you want to get off the lap timer screen, just press to the right, hold it, and right there, that's trip 1. That's it. Okay guys, just wanted to show that, because if you go to the APR setting like normal, you would go here by going to the main menu, right? Main menu, press center, then you go APR settings, then it comes out the same thing, and then you can do the same, basically the same thing. But I was not able to do it here when it came. I don't know why, but I was not able, and it's okay. I find out that I could do it there by going to the light timer screen. Okay guys, peace out. Hope it helps anybody up. Ciao. Can't wait for my first track day of the year. I was hoping for 2 weeks from now, but now it's gonna be like beginning of April. Oh well. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.